A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. We have the match referee and both the captains in the center. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Up in the air. Oh, that's a dream start for the fielding team. What a delivery.
Let me show you how to master the ring boost in Sonic Forces. First, make sure you've got
good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Oh, that's lovely timing, the ball racing to the boundary. It looks in good batting form. Glorious, absolutely glorious. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound at the bat. No ball called. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Oh, that's very close. The umpire thinks otherwise. And he decides not to take the review. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Batsman losing his concentration there. Good shot for a single. Well, you can sense something is going to happen here. The bowler not allowing the batsman to free his arms. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Oh, that's nasty. Right into the body. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. That's high in the air. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Tried to take advantage of the overthrow. A bad call, and he has to walk back to the pavilion. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Last ball coming up. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Through the gap for 4. That is smart batting. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. Good shot for a single. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. But that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge 6. He looks in good touch. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. 4 runs, plays into the gap fabulously. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Played into the gap, should be able to run 2 here. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Extra cover in place. The batsman needs to be careful playing his cover drives. Good shot for a single. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Oh, that's a beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Oh, that's put down. That's going to be painful for the bowler. He deserved a wicket there. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Last ball coming up. Well placed into the gap, possible too. They put a good all-round performance today, bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.